Dear brothers and sisters, the readings we have heard today, this morning, one from the Old Testament, from the New Testament, gives us two important messages. When we take up any task which is new for us, we may be intellectual, we may have got degree. What do we need more? We need wisdom. This is the first reading. The prophet Elisha asked his father, give me double the wisdom. For the people whom I have to serve are not walking the right paths. The second reading we heard from the gospel passage, Jesus touches upon three religious practices of the Jews and also of ourselves: prayer, penance, and fasting. They go to themselves as long as they are practiced in the right perspective. But when we make them ends in themselves, then they are not to be practiced. When I say ends, I mean when you pray, others to see us. When you fast, others to see us. When you give alms, others to see us. Then we are glorifying ourselves. We are seeking a reward here on this earth. The Lord asks us today, pray. It helps us to unite with God. Give alms. Keeps us close to our neighbor. Fast. It also cleanses us. But not for self-glory, but to give praise to God. We ask God for the grace today that when we do something good to others, let's not expect reward. Do it unselfishly, do it without any conditions.